Okay, well, let's do something about this big chunk of wood here. Oh, it's not a big chunk of wood. May as well be. It's this radio. This radio, which is doing something very strange. Out of the cabinet, it's working good. In the cabinet, it turns into some strange sounding wind maker or something like that. I don't know what to make of it. So, I want to get to the bottom of it. Here's my suspicion, and I haven't read the comments yet from the videos I posted about 12 hours ago. I think that sound is there all the time, and I just don't hear it when the speaker is out of the cabinet. And when I put the speaker in the cabinet, it's able to reproduce that sound and make it audible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the radio, try to understand what that noise is, or that sound. It's not really noise. And then I'm going to remove the speaker from the cabinet, probably with the radio operating, take it out and see if somehow that changes the nature of the sound. You know, speakers do not reproduce well out of their cabinets. And you know, I have to listen to the sound again, but the tonal quality is full of a lot of low stuff that perhaps I just couldn't hear. And when I had the speaker out of the cabinet, I had a piece of cardboard over the top of it to protect it, and that may have further made me unable to hear that sound. That's a very bad grammar there. So let's plug this thing in, see if it still makes the funny sounds, the rumbling, whooshing sounds, and if in the end these sounds really are coming out of this radio, I'm off on the long hunt again for what that might be. My guess, it's a tube making those kinds of sounds. So let's see anyway. Let's plug this guy in. Plug him in. I think I'm on video number 6000 on this radio now too. Okay. Switch is off. Power's on restricted. I have no antenna connected to the radio. Let's switch it on. Restricted power. See, I got both light bulbs going, but you know, it looked better with just the one down below almost. And I've always kind of wondered about that. They stick light bulbs behind these plastic covers, and of course you see the light bulb through it. And I've always thought, wow, why don't they try to do something a little... I mean, of course, there's lots of more modern equipment where the light has been cascaded out very smoothly across the panel, dial, whatever it is. But these old guys, I didn't seem to pay much attention to that. Well, I'm not hearing anything. Oh, it's in there. Anybody tell me what's going on here? Some dirt in the control here. Dirt on that capacitor. I can hear that sound. Not so loud, I can hear it. gotta wonder now, what did I hear? I hear a little bit of it, but let's put an antenna on it. That's interesting. I think I moved the radio a bit and the rumble went away. I wonder if it's crazy interference from my shop again. Yeah, I woke it up. Woke everybody up. Close your ears. Okay. Okay, let's give this guy
are right now. We just Queen, if new Canadians are wanting to join this country, then I think that having them show their loyalties to the values of the country, that's what I think it should be, the values of the country, not an anarchic
But isn't that one of
tradition.
the values of the country?
Right. You don't get to choose and determine the values of the country.
And then no access could have been given. This is interesting because a couple of years ago they tried to buy a...
Hey, there's nothing wrong with this radio. Wow. Oh, man. Well,
I think on the total property at about $2 million, $1.9 million.
I cannot understand or explain what has been going on, but it sure seems to work good
Is there
now.
anything, I mean, this is politics. I mean, you could...
They might have erroneous interpretation because the flint the Old Testament faster than. But they often
Well, all you
don't
can do
know
is just give it a
the
big
source
thumbs
of their
up.
beliefs. They don't know.
Have a funny question mark thing here.
Reformation. They don't know what they really believe.
Can't do any more with it right now. What I do have to do, I still have one capacitor in here to change, which is the primary or the first filter capacitor. It's still got the original 8 microfarad capacitor in there. It's working. I suppose I could leave it, but I might be a little more comfortable changing that, and I just don't have a replacement. So for now, that's it for this guy. Mysteries abound. Why are there so many mysteries in this kind of work? Anyway, I think I'm going to put it away and consider it done, at least as far as making videos and the like. So thanks a lot for watching this. I hope you like the result. I do. And gotta get busy on the next radio.